Well, hello, it's Mr. Dale again, and we are now in Module 5, and we are going to be looking at the grammar that is needed for Module 5. The grammar this week is really very simple. We're going to be looking at can and can't. A quick example is birds can fly. Okay, they can. And another example would be pigs, they can't fly. All right, so can and can't. So can means that you are able to do it. However, can't, you are not able to do it. Let's just quickly look at an example. A cat can climb a tree. That's true. A cat can or is able to climb a tree. A fish can swim in the water. Definitely able to do it. However, a duck can't jump and bears can't fly. Those are two examples how we use can and can't. Now we do need to talk about irregular plural nouns in Module 5, especially because we will see some irregular animals that do not follow the standard practice of plural nouns. Usually, to make a noun plural, we simply add an S to the end of the noun. Okay? So if I have the word pig, to make it plural, I would simply add an S. But there are some animals that do not follow that rule. Let's look at those examples here. Deer, the plural of deer is deer, it doesn't change. Mouse becomes mice in plural. Moose is the same in the plural, it doesn't change. Fish also stays the same. We don't say fishes, but fish and fish in the plural. Singular for sheep and for plural. Sheep doesn't change either. We have one goose, but two geese. So those are some animals that do not follow the S rule to make them plural. Now, while we are talking about irregular nouns, I thought it would be a good idea to look at some other nouns that do not follow the same rule. Tooth becomes teeth. One child becomes two children. One person becomes two people. 1 foot, but 2 feet. 1 man, but 2 men. And 1 woman, and maybe 2 or 3 women. So that is the grammar for this week. Basically, we'll be looking at can and can't. We'll be practicing with some of these irregular nouns in Module 5.